In this video, we will compute the limit of x times sine of 1 by x when x tends to 0. So in order to compute this limit, we have to compute both the left hand limit and the right hand limit. Let's compute the right hand limit first. That is x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus meaning here we are assuming x is greater than 0 because we are approaching from the right side of 0. Now we know that sine of 1 by x lies between -1 and 1. As x greater than 0, that is positive, so multiplying both sides of this inequality by x, we obtain that minus x less or equals to x times sine of 1 by x less or equals to x. Now taking a limit x tends to 0 plus on both sides, we obtain that limit x tends to 0 plus of minus x less or equals to limit x tends to 0 plus x sine of 1 by x less or equals to limit x tends to 0 plus x. Now see that this is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0. Therefore, the middle quantity must be equal to 0. That is limit x tends to 0 plus x sine 1 by x is equal to 0. Now this is the right hand limit. Let's number it 1. Now we will compute the left hand limit, that is x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus meaning we are approaching to 0 from the left side of 0. That is, we will assume x is negative, that is x is less than 0. Now again we know that sine of 1 by x lies between -1 and 1. Now as x is negative, so if we multiply by this x, the sign of this inequality will be reversed. That is, here we will have x, because x will be negative, less or equals to x times sine of 1 by x less or equals to minus x. See that this is positive and this is negative. Now if we take the limit x tends to 0 minus, then using the same way as above, we obtain that limit x tends to 0 minus of x times sine of 1 by x is equal to 0. And this is the left hand limit. And let's number it 2. Now as both the left hand limit and the right hand limit are equal and 0, therefore we conclude that limit x tends to 0 x sine of 1 by x is also equal to 0, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.